Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put s squared go to the left. Next, we divide both sides by y squared. So I will put this one go to the left. Next, we have negative number 1 over y, and we have dy over y squared dx. This is about Bernoulli's equation. So I will put about v equals to negative number 1 over y. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have dv over dx equals to 1 over y squared dy over dx. So this one we change by v. This one we change by this one. Next, we divide both sides by s squared. Next, we have v, and first derivative of v, that is about linear differential equation. So we need to find about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. So we see that the positive next to v with 2 over s. This one that is for integrating factor. And we have 2 f and s. Number 2 go inside about natural law in here. And this one we have s squared. Now we need to multiply both sides by s squared. This one we have 2s. This one we have number 1. Next, we need to put the integration for the both sides. So we need to use about the product rule of derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one we have first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have vs squared. This one we have s, and I will put about c. About v, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.